morning and welcome back to our channel, Life with Tin and Ed. So today we are going to do yet another unboxing video. Yes, it looks familiar to you, right? But don't go yet because this one has different features compared to the other 5-tier vertical garden that we had on the last video. This is an outdoor 5-tier garden raised bed. It has a matching 4 removable hooks, durable frame, leaking holes, quite sturdy and easy to install. It has mesh pads that you put in the box to prevent roots from rotting, and the special feature with this one is that it has 4 removable wheels, which makes it very easy to move whether for indoor or outdoor use. The wheels are lockable to add stability and keep it in place. The steps are very easy to follow. After 30 or 40 minutes, you are done and you can enjoy the vertical garden bed. So let's go now to the assembling video with the help of my husband Ed. I forgot to mention that this box is bigger or wider than the other vertical garden that I showed you in the last video. I temporarily put my small potted plants in it in order to show you how it looks like when you actually plant your chosen flowers or greens in the garden bed. They look so pretty and organized. So get one for yourself. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Just hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments how you feel about the product. See you on the next one. Bye!